Hey everyone! Welcome back to AppInsight AI. Today, I'm excited to take you through a step-by-step guide on how to create captivating text-to-video content using a fantastic AI tool called pictory.ai. We'll be focusing on the travel niche, one of the most lucrative and popular niches worldwide. Why the travel niche? Well, let me show you a quick example. This travel-based YouTube channel has uploaded just 123 videos and has garnered a staggering 1.59 million subscribers. Impressive, right? Not only that, but this channel also generates around $7,300 in revenue each month. And what's even more interesting is that their videos aren't overly edited. The creator doesn't even show their face, and the voiceover is AI generated. This proves how powerful and profitable this niche can be when combined with the right tools like pictory.ai. Before we dive into the tutorial, let me show you the final product, a travel video I created using pictory.ai.
Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're exploring the dazzling city of Dubai, a place where modern marvels meet rich culture. If you're planning a trip or just dreaming of this magnificent city, stick around as we unveil the top 5 must-visit places in Dubai. Starting at number 1, we have the iconic Burj Khalifa. Standing at a staggering 828 meters, it's the tallest building in the world. Be sure to visit the observation deck on the 148th floor for breathtaking views of the entire city. It's an experience you won't want to miss. At number 2, we have the Dubai Mall, the largest shopping mall globally. It's not just a shopping destination, it's a whole experience. With over 1,200 shops, an aquarium, an ice rink, and countless dining options, you could easily spend an entire day here. Next up, at number 3, is the stunning Palm Jumeirah. This man-made island is shaped like a palm tree and is home to luxury resorts, private beaches, and some of the best dining experiences in the city. You can also take a scenic monorail ride to soak in the views.
Looks pretty good, right? Now, let me guide you step by step on how you can create a similar video using pictory.ai. Stick around until the end because I'll also share a tip on how to use this tool for free indefinitely. Step 1. Accessing pictory.ai. To get started, simply open your web browser and go to pictory.ai. You'll land on the home page, and from there, you can sign up for a free trial by entering your email address. The free trial lasts for 14 days, which is more than enough time to familiarize yourself with the platform's features. Once you log in, you'll see pictory.ai's dashboard, which is extremely user-friendly. On this dashboard, you have several options for video creation: text to video, URL to video, AI video editor, images to video, PPT to video. For the purpose of this tutorial, we'll focus on the text-to-video feature, as it's perfect for turning blog posts, scripts, or written content into engaging videos. Step 2. Creating a video from text. Once you've selected the text-to-video option, the next step is to paste your script. For this tutorial, I've written a script titled Top 5 Best Places to Visit in Dubai. For free YouTube script writing, you can use ChatGPT. I've prepared the same script using ChatGPT, and it works great. Now, let's jump straight into the tutorial. You can either type or copy and paste your script into the text box provided by pictory.ai. After pasting the script, you'll see a Proceed button. Let's go ahead and click that. What happens next is one of the best features of pictory.ai. It automatically scans the script and starts generating scenes by matching relevant visuals to the text. It's fast and efficient, and in just a few seconds, boom, your video structure is ready. The AI has done most of the heavy lifting by arranging text with visuals that fit your content. Step 3. Customizing visuals. Pictory.ai is smart, but it also gives you full control. For instance, let's say the some scene in your video doesn't quite match what you envisioned. No problem. All you have to do is click on the text for the scene you want to modify and then click on the Visuals tab. Here, you can enter a specific keyword related to your script to find a more suitable scene. For example, let's type City of Dubai and see what comes up. In just a second, pictory.ai presents a collection of stunning scenes from Dubai. To preview a scene, simply hover your mouse over it. I've found one that looks perfect, so I'll click on it, and just like that, the new scene is added to my video. You can repeat this process for any scene that you want to update or replace. Step 4. Adding background music. Now, let's move on to the audio section. By default, Pictory.ai adds background music to your video, which can really enhance the mood. You have the option to choose from Pictory's extensive music library, which offers a variety of tracks to fit different tones and genres. However, if you prefer to use music from YouTube's audio gallery or your own selection, you can easily remove the default track. In my case, I'll be using music from YouTube's free audio library, so I'll simply delete the background music that Pictory applied by default. Step 5. Selecting the voiceover. Next, let's talk about the voiceover. One of the standout features of Pictory.ai is that it comes with several voiceover samples to choose from. You can preview the available voices and select the one that fits your video's tone.
The only thing to do with good advice is to pass it on. It is never of any use to oneself.
Allow the world to live as it chooses, and allow yourself to live as you choose.
Logic will get you from A to B, imagination will take you everywhere.
Once you've found a voice you like, simply click on Generate and Apply, and the AI will automatically sync the voiceover with your video. But here's where things get really interesting if you want to make your video even more engaging. You can upload your own voiceover. In my case, I like using 11 Labs to create a more realistic and engaging voiceover. To upload your own voiceover, just click on the upload icon. Select your file, and wait for the upload to complete. After uploading, make sure to apply the voiceover to the entire video by selecting Apply to Entire Video. This ensures that your voiceover is synced across all scenes. Step 6. Customizing text styles. Let's move on to the visual aspect of the text. Pictory.ai allows you to fully customize the style and appearance of the text in your video. Click on the Styles tab, and you'll see various options for text colors, fonts, and layouts. For this video, I'll go with a bold yellow style as it stands out and looks professional. After selecting your preferred style, apply it to the entire video by clicking Apply to Entire Video. You'll see the text style change instantly across all scenes, giving your video a cohesive look. Step 7. Previewing your video. Once you're satisfied with the visuals, audio, and text, it's time to preview the video. Click on the Preview button, and Pictory.ai will prepare a full preview of your project. This might take a few moments, depending on the length of your video. Once the preview is ready, you can watch the entire video and make any final adjustments if necessary. Step 8. Downloading your video. If everything looks good, it's time to download your video. Click the Download button, and Pictory will start processing the video for download. Again, depending on the length of your video, this may take a few minutes. Once your video is ready, click Download again to save it to your device. Congratulations! Your video is now ready for use. Step 9. Removing the watermark. Since we're using the free trial version of Pictory.ai, there will be a watermark on the video. If you'd like to remove it, you can either upgrade to the paid version of Pictory.ai or overlay your own logo to cover the watermark. This is a quick and easy workaround that allows you to still use the video professionally. So that's how you can create stunning text-to-video content using Pictory.ai. As you can see, the tool is incredibly powerful and easy to use, making it a fantastic choice for content creators, especially in high-potential niches like travel. Now, as promised, here's a bonus tip on how to continue using Pictory.ai for free, even after your 14-day trial ends. Once your trial is over, you can simply create a new email ID and sign up for another free trial. This way, you can continue using Pictory.ai without paying a dime. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to AppInsight AI for more tutorials, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on all things AI. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.